Guys, so my name is Stefan. I'm pro staff for Sightmark, and here's a little scope that I've been waiting for a long time to try out. It's a 3-18x50 first focal plane scope. It's called the PRESIDIO. We got mil-click turrets, so 0.1 clicks. It's got zero stop. It's got adjustable parallax, which is really important for any long range scope. We got different illuminations on the reticle that goes all the way up to 6 different illuminations. We have a mil reticle in first focal plane, as I said. It's also very important with the Christmas tree. So it's a really nice little scope. It's an entry-level scope, so for anyone who wants to get into precision shooting, this scope is actually very good. The glass is clear. It's got all the features that the big premium scopes have, but at a reasonable price. It comes with a little throw lever, and what I'm going to do now is perform a box test, because one of the absolute most important parts of a long range scopes is that it mechanically tracks well. And what we're going to do is we're going to shoot 5 shots. First one, I'm aiming all the time. I'm going to be all dead center where I'm aiming, and then we'll shoot the first shot. That should be dead center. Then I go 1 mil up, then 1 mil right, 1 mil down, and 1 mil left, so I get back to my 0. And if I do everything right, and if the scope tracks well, we'll see a square box over there. So distance 100 meters. A little bit high, that's my fault, so I won't blame the scope on that. I felt that one. Go 1 mil right. One mil down. And a little bit mirage, I'll just wait a few seconds. Yeah, the mirage really threw me off now, so don't blame the scope for that one. And then we'll go back to the left 1 mil, and that should end up together with the initial shot. Oh, the mirage is bad now. A little bit. And we're back. Box looks absolutely perfect. 1 mil, 1 mil. Yeah, it's tracking really well. It's definitely something that you can use to get into it. This would probably be a scope that you could use for a lot of other things, and I think the magnification range is really good for hunting as well.